Please be advised that the images and information you are about to encounter could be disturbing to some audiences. It began with a red light run, caught on traffic cam, a crash. A man climbs out holding a gun with an extended magazine.
And he's shooting at vehicles.
He opens fire in broad daylight, shooting toward passing cars, pointing at random drivers, then pointing his gun and firing toward responding officers.
Drop the gun!
The danger escalates fast,
Wearing a blue shirt, clearly firing at officers.
and officers are forced to make a split-second decision to stop the threat.
Boy, we're taking a custody.
On the morning of January 13th, 2025, in Ferguson, Missouri, a man ran a red light and caused a multi-vehicle crash. What might have seemed like an accident quickly turned into something far more dangerous.
Car 6 Victor 5 and leaving the scene. Accident. Leaving the scene at Lucas and Hunt and West Florissant. Lucas and West Florissant. Possibly now shots fired. The small car, male with purple t-shirt, has a gun in his hand, is walking westbound on West Florissant in front of Buzz West Hall. Said he hit a Chevy, the vehicle's still there.
As stunned motorists watched, he began firing erratically. Surveillance and dispatch updates confirmed the weapon was real and the behavior unpredictable.
There's a male wearing a skull cap mask and purple or blue shirt with red print on it, and he's shooting at vehicles. He's a black male with a mask. We're getting a bunch of calls on this. Can I get Jennings en route? 130.4, 954.
Two officers from the St. Louis County Police Department arrived on West Florissant Avenue and confronted the suspect.
I got eyes on that asshole.
801's on scene, got eyes on him, that's all right.
642 out.
Out of him.
1890. Notify Ferguson if you haven't already.
Drop the gun!
Oh, notify him. I got a first precinct coming too.
You have a call.
Drop the gun!
One called out commands to drop the weapon.
Drop the gun!
Precinct coming too.
1801, shots fired, shots fired!
The suspect fired at least once in their direction, striking the pavement near an officer's feet. The suspect fled on foot while still holding the gun. Officers returned fire.
Cornelio! Drop the gun! Running towards Ferguson! Black male, blue shirt! Get my car! Get my car! Get my car! Watch where you're shooting!
With innocent lives in the area and the suspect actively armed, officers pursued him in a patrol vehicle.
He shot at you, bro. Yeah. I watched him shoot.
At the intersection of West Florissant and Ferguson Avenue, a crucial decision was made. To prevent further violence, one officer used the front of his vehicle to stop the suspect.
I'm gonna hit him.
We're gonna run more.
You ready?
Yeah.
Where's he at? Ferguson.
West Ferguson.
The impact was significant, and the firearm was recovered nearby.
I don't know. It was in his hand when we hit him.
Guys, I need your status. Is any of my officers shot?
Boy, we're taking him to custody. We're all secure. West Florissant and Ferguson.
As with all officer-involved incidents, the use of force is subject to ongoing investigation. This incident unfolded in just minutes. Officers were forced to make a decision, fast, one that stopped the threat and likely saved lives. But the loss of life, even in the face of that danger, is not something to take lightly. These are the kinds of decisions law enforcement faces, and the kind of realities society must confront. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Your support helps us continue sharing real-world insights and critical moments like this one.
410-4, 1 in custody, we need EMS.
11-4, that's clear. I'll show you on scene. EMS will be around.